Hi, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I want to show you how you can post to your Instagram account through command using social post campaigns. Let's go ahead and log into command. And you definitely want to make sure your Instagram account is linked to your command account. You can check that by going to your name in the top right-hand corner and choosing settings. Here underneath your connected applications, you should see your Instagram post scheduling linked, and you can see that here with the connected status. If you do not see this, we do have a tip video that will go over how to link your Instagram to command. Since we are currently connected, we should be good to go ahead and go over here to the left to the campaigns tab so that we can create our social post campaign. From here, click on your social post tab at the top. And two ways that you can actually start creating that social post. You can choose to view the calendar by the month and click on the day that you want the post to be displayed on, or come to your top right corner and click Create Campaign. Choose Social Post. And at the top left, our first field will be the accounts that you want this post to display on. You can expand this field and check whichever box you want beside the Facebook business page or Instagram account that you want the post displayed on. For today, we're going to uncheck our Facebook and check the Instagram right here. Click away from that field. And now on the right, we will see that we have our preview of what that Instagram post will look like. Next field is to set up your text. So just enter what you would like. You can also choose emojis and also choose your media. When choosing your media, you can choose from a file on your device or choose a design. There are lots of free social pieces and templates available within your command designs. If you're not familiar with how to create those, we do have a separate tip video and a class even that goes over how to create and edit those. Definitely check that out. We will go ahead and browse designs as we currently have a social design that we created that we would like to use here. So we will go ahead and click that social design. You will see it added on the left and a preview on the right. Unless you get an error like that, let's try again. Browse designs, choose our social piece that we created. There we go. Now it's working correctly. So it gives you an opportunity to crop. Social posts usually work best with square images. And so you can choose to crop this however you would like. We'll go ahead and make sure our logo is there and choose crop image. You'll see the preview on the right. Definitely look for things like this. Notice that we have some blocks showing on our image. Those were text when we created that design. So just make sure you're checking your preview for any error like that that may be occurring. And if you do see an error, you can always go back and edit that design and re-add it to your post or just add a different media to your social post. Okay. We'll come down a little bit to compliance, and you can choose to add the ownership statement, and you can even edit that if you would like. And DBA logo, you can choose to have it included. If you do not want the DBA logo to be just the generic KW logo, you can delete that image and add another one in, and also choose left align or right align on your social post. You can see it over here changing back and forth. Once you're done with that field, you can choose to schedule your social post. If you do, you would just choose the calendar here and choose the day that you would like it to be scheduled for and even the time. and choose Schedule Post at the top right-hand corner. For us today, we're going to publish immediately and choose Publish Post in the top right-hand corner. Gives you one more preview and click Publish Post. We'll get a green banner here saying that it has been posted. See that at the top, it has been posted across one of our accounts. And now within our Campaigns tab, underneath Social Posts, you will see this particular post now and showing in published status. Okay, we can actually click over here to our Instagram account, go ahead and go to our Instagram and click refresh, and we should see that post right here automatically added to our Instagram. Sometimes when posting to your social platforms, though, it may take a couple of hours if that particular social platform needs to review and approve your post. So, not always going to be immediate, but usually with Instagram, it is pretty immediate within a few moments. If you have any questions at all about what you just saw, please reach out to us at support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we will certainly be glad to help you. Thanks for watching.